and then I want to record with a loom. So you'll see that the counter goes to 3, from 3 to 0, and it starts recording and it times it out. And then I have another demonstration of record voice notes and so on, and on top of it I want to also wear my hat. With the URL tail, a URL that has also a matching phone number, a vanity phone number. All of this goes into... Okay, I'm recording now with PixieBot, and I want to demonstrate multiple devices on this computer. I insert it into my lanyard and start recording from my 360. You will start see it blinking red. And then I want to record with a loom. So you'll see that the counter goes to 3.
All right, let's have a...
Now I got the commercial that I want to stop. So I go back, I X out of the commercial.
Look at this video. At first, we're focusing in on a small white square camera with a round dark lens centered in the square. It's mounted on a flexible tripod with a strap. The background is quite busy, filled with computer parts, wires, and other electronic gadgets. Then the camera angle changes and we're looking up at a cluttered scene. There's a silver monitor sitting on a wooden stand, and above that, a light fixture that looks like it's made of metal. The entire area is filled with various objects and equipment, making it seem like a workspace. Next, a hand enters the frame, picking up the little white camera. The background is even more visible now, a jumble of wires, boxes, and tools, creating a very cluttered impression. The camera then shifts its focus to a computer screen. On the screen, we can see a website with articles and images. The recording shifts, showing the computer screen as a countdown appears 3, 2, 1, and a recording starts with a counter. On the screen, we see multiple windows, including a video game and a document with text highlighted in yellow. A silver desk lamp shines nearby. Now a hand reaches for a black hat and puts it on the desk, and the camera rises, showing more of the cluttered scene, including another older monitor sitting on a wooden stand and some spray cans. Finally, the camera angle changes, capturing the computer monitor, which now displays multiple open windows. The room lighting is dim, with a red glow casting shadows on the surrounding objects. The overall impression is that of a tech-filled workspace that's a bit chaotic.
And now that I finished playing back, I want to also save it with a video file name. I want to embed the video file name at the beginning, so I'm going to paste it before the remainder for later use. I'm copying now to the clipboard buffer and go File, Save As. And use the new file name. Paste the new file name with the file name extension of inspect, and at the beginning I want to add also today's date and time. So today is 4/28, 4-28-2025. The day of the week is capital M period O, Monday, and the time is 12:38. Now I got a complete RTF file name. I want to copy to the clipboard buffer and save it. Then I want to paste it into my notes. Control V, save. And now I'm basically finished, and I'm ready to go out to do another recording in another room. So I want to run Psar problem step recorder to show how I wrap up all the operation, make sure that the setting is set up to 999.
Let's do close bot 1 just because I think close bot might actually keep close bot AI. Just because I might have already set that to something. So close bot AI is the tag that's going to trigger eye contact tag, close bot AI, and then hit save, and then save. And then what I want to do is I want to send out.
Now I want to go back to my Psar problem step recorder. Put it in another location here and start recording as I wrap up this operation. And add a comment with the file name that I just produced. And enter. Okay. Now I'm ready to suspend everything. I'm going to suspend first Loom. Maybe I should first stop and save Psar. I want to save Psar. Take the previous Psar, overlaid with the current today's, paste today's one, but I want to change the path. So I'm going to write over the new path, which is psar.exe, paste on top of it the psar.exe. Then I want to add to it also that this is a zip type of file, so I'll put period ZP. And another thing that I want to add to it is PikiBot. PikiBot. And now I'm ready to save it. I want to copy it to the clipboard buffer, then save it. Then review the additional details, scroll up to see that that was only one step, and start a new recording and add a comment with the previous file name. So the current psar.exe is the file name. And then I'm going to paste it into my notes again. Control V and save. Now I'm ready to suspend some of the recordings. So I'm going to suspend, first of all, I'm going to suspend Loom. Take the URL from Loom, copy to the clipboard buffer, edit, paste, and enter, and save. Then I want to select, see if I can play back and refresh or reload, which it doesn't let me. Then I can select all on my notes, select all, copy it to the clipboard buffer, and then go back to room, the comment. Doesn't let me put in a comment, so I'll try summary, paste it as a summary. And then I will take the transcript, if I can, scroll down to the transcript and scroll to the top. See if I can copy the transcript and paste it into my notes. Add chapters. I want to add 3 chapters and save the new chapters. I want to get into the notes here. Doesn't let me get into the notes. How do I find a copy of the notes to the clipboard buffer? It doesn't seem to be working for me yet. So we will stop it at that for now. Then minimize this. Save my notes. Minimize this. I want to stop the recording here. Double click it to hear if it works. That works fine. Stop the recording here. See if it works. This is working fine. This is working fine. Finally. I'm going to stop the recording on send it.